In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear search history on Amazon. First, make sure you're signed into your Amazon account on a web browser. This process works best on a computer, but you can also do it in a browser on a tablet or laptop. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu labeled Accounts and Lists. Instead of clicking it right away, move your mouse over it and hover there for a moment. A drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, look for the option called Browsing History. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a dedicated page where Amazon shows the products you've recently looked at while you were signed in. Think of this page as a log of items you viewed, which Amazon uses to show recommendations and help you quickly return to things you were considering. Here, you'll see a series of product boxes. Each one represents an item you viewed. If you only want to remove a single product from your history, find that item and look closely at the bottom of its box. You should see a small option that says Remove from View. Click that, and the item will disappear from your browsing history list. To confirm that it worked, you'll usually see a small label or text that says Removed where that item used to be. Now, if you want to clear more than just one or two items, there's a faster way. Look toward the top right area of the browsing history page for a small gear icon, which represents the settings for your browsing history. Click on that gear icon, and a pop-up window will appear with some additional options. In this pop-up, you'll see an option that says Remove all items from view, along with a button labeled Remove Items. This is the option that clears your entire browsing history at once. Before you click it, just remember that this will remove all the items currently listed in your browsing history, and you won't be able to bring that list back. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the Remove Items button. Amazon will then clear everything from your browsing history page. Once that's done, your browsing history will be empty, and no previously viewed items will appear there anymore. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your search and browsing history on Amazon.